Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how we can use this R10 industrial 4G router gateway to convert Modbus serial data into Modbus TCP data. Okay, and we were reading this device data like temperature and humidity using this LAN cable. So this LAN cable is attached to my laptop. Okay, and this device is providing data over Modbus serial protocol to this gateway, industrial 4G router gateway, and this gateway is converting the data, serial data, into Modbus TCP data. Okay, and this gateway is brought to you by the Augmatic Technologies Private Limited. They are the official distributor of BLIoT products in India. So now in this video we will see how we can use this gateway as a Modbus master. Okay, so I want this gateway as a Modbus master to read this serial device data. Previously we have directly converted the data. Okay, so Modbus serial data were directly converted to Modbus TCP data in the previous video. But in this video what we want to do is we want to use this gateway as a Modbus master. So we will configure some register and we will read those register value in the configuration page of this gateway. Okay, so we want to use this gateway as a Modbus master. So let's see how we can start and how we can read the Modbus serial device data into the configuration page of this gateway. As you guys already know, the default username is admin and there is no password. Okay, so we have to specify the username admin and then we have to log in. Okay, now we want to use this gateway as a Modbus master. So we have to go to remote IO and again we have to go to serial port setting. In the serial port setting, you are already aware that this is the default device name. Okay, serial port is the default device name and here we have to specify the parameter of this serial device. So as you can see, the baud rate of this serial device is 9600, data bits 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1. So this is all set previously also, so we are going to use as it is configuration in this video also. So we will do save and apply here. Now we have to go to Modbus master because we want to use this gateway as a Modbus master to read data from this serial device. So we will click on Modbus master here. And then as you can see here, Modbus master, there is no Modbus master is configured here. Okay, so if I open it like this, okay, so there is no Modbus master configured here, so we will add one here. So SHT20 will be my new Modbus master device, so I will add it here. Now alias is SHT20. Now slave address, so slave address is the address for your serial device. Okay, so for this serial device the slave address is 1, so I'm going to paste here 1 and the register type. So this device is providing the data on the input register. Okay, so we are not going to read the boolean value from this device, we are going to read the numerical values or 16-bit data from this device. Okay, SHT20 device. Okay, so that is why I have to select here 16-bit data and the function code. So this device is providing temperature and humidity data on the input register. Okay, so here we have to specify function code 4. And here we have to specify the data type as the unsigned 16-bit AB. Okay, and register start address is 1 and we want to read the number of register is 2. Okay, so here register start address is 1 and we want to read 2 register because this device will provide data on the 2 register. Okay, so the first data this device will provide is the temperature and the second data this device will provide is the humidity. So that is why I have kept here 2 as a data number. Mapping address I will select as a automatic, and the slave interface. So as you guys already know, the slave interface is serial port as we have already configured previously in this video. Okay, so we have to specify here serial port and then we have to save it. Okay, now you can see there is 13 unsaved changes, so we have to save and apply to download this configuration into this gateway. Okay, so configuration is downloaded. Now we want to read the data from this device. Okay, we want to read the temperature and humidity data from this SHT20 Modbus serial temperature and humidity transmitter. So that is why we have to navigate to Modbus query. Okay, we are on the same page as a Modbus master. Okay, in the Modbus master page you will get Modbus query tab. Okay, you have to navigate to here and here you have to select RS485. The data we want to read is a numerical type, okay, and we have to click on display channel. Okay, so it will display the channel, and you can see here data is available here. You can see the data value 311599. So 311 is my temperature data. So temperature is currently 31.1 degrees centigrade and the humidity is 59.9% relative humidity. So if I again click on this display channel, the value will get changed. So 311 temperature is stable and the humidity is 580. Okay, so it means 58.0% relative humidity. So 583, so 58.3. So this is how you can use this industrial 4G router R10A as a Modbus master to read or verify the data from Modbus slave devices. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you that how you can use this industrial 4G router R10A as a Modbus master to read data from any serial device. Okay, right now I have only configured one serial device here, but you can also configure multiple serial device and you can also read multiple serial device data. All you have to do is you have to specify your slave address. Okay, here we have specified the slave address as a 1. Okay, so if you are using multiple device, then you have to specify slave address for each device. So I have suppose 5 this kind of device, so I will give them unique slave addresses. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 something. So if I select slave address as a 1, then it will read data from this device. If I put slave address here 2, then it will read data from second device. So this is how you can create your Modbus master device here, and then in the Modbus query you can read all the data in a single shot whenever you click on the display channel. Okay, so right now it's a 311 and 564. Temperature is very stable and the humidity is changing. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you that how we can use this device as a Modbus master. Okay, so in this video we have covered that how to use this device R10A industrial 4G router as a Modbus master. So we will do same process when we want to convert Modbus serial data to MQTT data. Okay, so this gateway is also capable to publish Modbus serial data into MQTT protocol. Okay, so if you have any MQTT broker where you want to publish your Modbus serial device data, then this gateway is capable of doing it. To publish the Modbus serial device data to MQTT broker, you also have to follow this step. Okay, you also have to add this device in the Modbus master, and then after you can convert this data into MQTT data. So we will see that in the next video that how this device is useful to convert your Modbus serial data into MQTT data. So stay tuned for the next video, and in the next video we will see Modbus to MQTT conversion using industrial 4G router R10A, and this gateway is brought to you by the Augmentic Technologies Private Limited. You can call them on their phone number, you can visit their website, you can order any BLIoT products from their website. Okay, so they are the official distributor of BLIoT products in India. So the detail of Augmentic Technologies Private Limited is on the screen as well as in the description of this video. Do check out their website. Okay, and if you have any requirement for industrial 4G router gateway or any other BLIoT products, do visit their website and do call them. So we will meet you in the next video. In that video we will see that how to use this gateway as a Modbus to MQTT converter. So till then, thank you and goodbye.